Hi, Mrs. Matolla's class. We are going to review our touch numbers, and we are going to do numbers 0 through 5 right now. Okay, so let's review our 0 to 5 touch numbers. So this is the number 0. Do we count anything on there? No, there's no touch dots. This is number 1. Do we have a touch dot to touch? Yes, we do, up at the top. But we're going to touch it and say 1. Here we go. 1. Good job. This is number 2. Let's count our touch dots. 1, 2. Good job. Say it with me. Here's our next number. Number 3. Let's say our touch dots. 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right, moving on. Number 4. Let's count our touch dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good work. Next one is number 5. Here it is. Let's count our touch dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Now we're going to do a little bit of addition. Okay? We're going to add some numbers. So bear with me as I put touch dots on them. All right, so here we go. We have 1 plus 2 equals. All right, let's count our touch dots. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 touch dots. So that would be our answer is 3. Okay. The next one we're going to try is 2 plus 3 equals. Let me put our touch dots on. Give me a second. All right, are we ready? Let's count our touch dots. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we counted 5 touch dots. So what's our answer? Our answer is 5. Good job. Over, down, bounce around. Good work. Okay, so we've used numbers 1, 2, and 3. Next up, we're going to try number 4. Okay, I'm going to try to trick you. So here we go. 4 plus 0 equals. Let me put our touch dots on. Okay, I have our touch dots on. So let's count the whole problem. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we count anything for 0? We don't. Good job. So what's our answer? Anything plus 0 is the number with it. So our answer is 4. Good work. All right, we're going to try one more problem. Okay? We're going to jump up to 5. So we're going to do 5 plus 3. We're going to go big. Okay? Let me put our touch dots on. All right, so 5 plus 3 equals. Okay? Let's see if we can do this. Let's count our touch dots together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's our answer? The answer is 8. Good job. So make an S and close it up. Sorry, I have a little bit of a line in my whiteboard back here. So an 8, or you can make a snowman. Okay, Mrs. Mitchell would like you to try the S and close it up method, but that's our second resort. Okay. All right, you guys did a great job. Thank you for reviewing numbers 0 through 5 addition touch math with me. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and there are going to be some math problems below for you to try, okay? Do a good job. I'll see you soon.